Dolphins are aquatic mammals that belong to the suborder Odontoceti, within the infraorder Cetacea. The suborder Odontoceti encompasses the toothed whales, such as dolphins and porpoises. Dolphins have streamlined bodies, beak-like snouts, a pronounced bulbous forehead, two flippers on their sides, a triangular fin on the back, a tail, and sharp, conical teeth. Their bodies are insulated by a layer of blubber, which is particularly thick in species living in cold water. Their skins are almost hairless, and are usually colored from light gray to dark gray on their backs, and lightened to white beneath their jaws, and on underbellies. Dolphins spend their lives in the water, coming to the surface to breathe. Most dolphins inhabit the oceans, range from equatorial to subpolar waters, although some live in fresh water, such as the Amazon River dolphin. Dolphins are carnivores. Their diet consists of a variety of fish, shrimp, squid, octopus, jellyfish, among others. Gestation in female dolphins ranges from 8 to 12 months for most species. They usually give birth to a single offspring, called a calf. The young are generally nursed for the first 2 to 3 years, and may stay with their mothers for up to 8 years. In the wild, the dolphin's lifespan is between 20 and 30 years, depending on the species. However, in the captivity, some can reach 50 years. What about you? Do you like dolphins? Have you ever seen a dolphin up close? Stay now with the sound of these amazing animals.